Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. Now the today's task is retell a lecture. By retell a lecture we are going to give you a overview of summarized spoken text. Why? Because both tasks are same and both tasks have same template like retell a lecture. What is retell a lecture? What is retell a lecture? This is a task which helps us to know our ability of speaking, how it can evaluate your speaking. Do you know how? There are three different aspects where retell lecture stands. Okay, now moving to the question prompt. What kind of question prompt you are going to get in this task? You have question prompt. You will get recording of 60 to 120 seconds for listening and listening. Okay, now another task is in this recording you will get 10 seconds to prepare your response. Sorry, the spelling mistakes are lots happening. At the end you will get 40 seconds for record your response. Okay, now moving to the scoring criteria. What is scoring criteria in retell a lecture? Scoring same as other task like in describe image you are getting content, you are getting 5 for content, 0 to 5 for content. Pronunciation 0 to 5. Oral fluency 0 to 5. Now, the thing is, as I always mention in our every video, the thing is that you have to be more fluent to get 5 out of 5, and good at pronunciation to get 5 out of 5. Okay, content doesn't matter for 65 or 79 each. Okay, for 90 you have to add content 90%, but for 79 50% content is sufficient. Now, what is content? What you are going to speak, like like picking the keyword from recording. Keywords like recording, the speaker was talking about environment, then in environment there are lots of keywords: environment on pollution, noise pollution, or traffic congestion. Okay, these words, if you pick, like in the recording you will pick environment, then it will be your first keyword. If you pick congestion, then it will be your second keyword, and traffic, it's your third keywords. Okay, keyword 1, 2, 3, 4, as much as possible. If you want to get 90, then as much as possible content. But for 65 or 79 you have to be stick on 3 to 4 content. Okay, or single content we call. Why? Because I had already mentioned it, the fluency and pronunciation is most important factor in your whole speaking. Now moving to the main scenario of this session, which is the strategy. Strategy in the YouTube or in physical institutions, there are lots of strategies available. Okay, but we only recommend a dumb student who cannot speak, read, write very well. We only recommend them to go with 3-line sentence as similar as your describe image. I think you are shocked right now. We have again 3-line sentence for Retell a lecture. So it's possible to get 90 in Retell lecture by 3-line sentence. Our students are getting 90 by 3-line sentence. Okay, so what is the scenario in 3-line sentences? We have to pick the right keywords. Good at pronunciation and more, as much as, and as much as possible to be fluent. If you are fulfilling these three requirements, then you are eligible to get 90 out of 90 in your written lecture. Okay, so we are going to give you strategy about Retell lecture for 3-line sentence. But first of all, you have to be more familiar with its question prompt. So again we are going to discuss its requirement. Why? Because it's necessary. And our regions, in our regional areas, we never try to get aware of its requirement. That's why we face difficulty fulfilling the requirements. Okay, fulfilling the task requirements. So first of all, you have to be right on keywords, good at pronunciation, and as much as possible to be a fluent. Okay, if you are fulfilling these three requirements, then you are going to get 90 out of 90. What we suggest is, whenever the recording starts, just find out keyword. Two to three keyword. Okay, and make sentence. Immediately. I think you will take 10 to 12 seconds to prepare or write your sentence. 20 seconds. Okay, now for your finding content, 20 seconds. We have 90 plus 10, 100 seconds. Prepare, listen, or find out the keyword and make sentences. Okay, now what we have done is 20 20 40 seconds. We have utilized our 40 seconds. Okay, rest 60 seconds will be going to prepare our speaking. Prepare means how we are going to speak. Okay, so it will help us to be more fluent and be good at pronunciation, and with good grammar or spelling or anything else, whatever you are facing difficulty in. Like sometimes student made mistakes in their pronunciation, sometimes student made mistakes in their fluency. So in between 60 seconds they have, I think, 2 to 3 time repetition time. Okay, in between 20 seconds I think you will be able to speak your content. So it's your preparation time, so fix your issues like regarding pronunciation and oral fluency. Okay, after that we will move to final recording. Thank you students for watching this video. We will be coming with our next lecture, in which we are going to share our tips and tricks on Retell a lecture with 3-line sentence. So subscribe us for daily updates. Thank you. Thanks a lot.